everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn at Cloud Analytics. In this video, we will be talking about when do we use and what is the importance of a pie chart and a donut chart in Power BI. So without any delay, let's get into the video. For this pie chart, I have to first select this particular visual from my visualizations pane here, and then let's see what are the different values that we can apply on this particular visual. Okay, so here I will go back to my superstore data set, and from the orders table I would like to see based on my ship mode and total sales. Okay, so the moment you select both the fields together, the pie chart has been able to provide the distribution of that individual values with respect to the total. Okay, so what is a pie chart? So pie chart is basically important if we would like to analyze the individual contribution with respect to the total. Okay, so let's say that since this has been demonstrated in a percentage format, the total is 100%. So out of 100%, what is the individual contribution of every slice within that particular dimension or within that particular category? So in this specific example, we have taken the category as the ship mode. So ship mode has got four different values within that field, and therefore for every value it is giving us an understanding of what is the individual contribution of that particular value with respect to the total 100%, right? So here for the standard class, the individual contribution is accommodating to around 59%, while the same day ship mode has got the least contribution when compared to the total contribution, right? So in this way, if you would like to look at the individual contribution to the whole, that's when you can choose the pie chart within Power BI. Okay, so we can also define this as like to find the relationship of parts to a whole, and every section of this division of this data, right, it is called as a slice. So this chunk of data is called as a one slice, and this is another slice. As such, we have four different slices based on the values that are existing within my category, and you can see the actual value corresponding to the percentage with respect to the total 100%. Okay, so this is all about the pie chart. Now let's try to build this from the scratch. So if I have to build a pie chart from the scratch, how do I do it? So I can just select this visual, and then I'll just bring in my let's say segment, and the values would be my profit. So then you can see, so within my visual pane, right, so we have these two options like values and details. So details is corresponding to your category value, and values is related to your measure value. So by placing these values to the corresponding sections, you can see that the pie chart has been populated with the corresponding contributed value. Okay, so this is all about a pie chart. Now if I would like to go with a donut chart, then I can just transform this pie chart to a donut chart by selecting this visual from my visualization pane. So I'll just select this donut chart, and now if you observe, there isn't much difference to that of a pie and a donut chart. Rather, it is just a visual difference to both of them. So even in the donut chart, you can see that it is just displaying us the relationship of the individual contribution to that of the overall contribution value, right? And it's just the difference between how it is appearing in terms of the layout and the visual appearance. So you can choose either of them. However, if you would like to show the total value within this donut chart, you can use this donut chart to display that value as well. Okay, so this is all about the donut and the pie chart, and both of them have got the similar concept, like when do we use this to display the relationship of the individual parts to that of the whole. And only difference is, like I mentioned again, you can place the overall total value in the between, like in this particular space, so that you know, like, okay, total value is some xyz, and based on which the individual contribution value is some 60.3k or 134.12k as such. All right. So this is all about the pie and donut chart. So I hope you understood both the charts together and when do we use these charts with an explanation. So if you do like this video, please give a thumbs up and talk to you again in the next video. Thank you.